What is wilderness? Wilderness is a special place for you to experience a world where man is only a visitor.
It's day 64. And this is the first time we're cooking brekkie for a few days.
It's a late start, y'all, but we already decided today is gonna be an easy day.
Yeah.
We are cooking that sweet, sweet brekkie.
We kinda slept in a little bit until 7:30. We're not really too worried. So it's probably gonna be like a 15-mile day.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're just gonna enjoy ourselves. And we really killed it yesterday and we're still feeling kind of sore. So
Packs were heavy.
yeah, gonna make today a nice, easy day. Getting us geared up for the Triple Crown area coming up.
Coming up real soon,
Real soon. So probably in like 2 days.
We'll be there.
We'll be there. So Sunday, Monday. And the first one is the Dragon's Tooth, so we're looking forward to that. We are going to enjoy this day. Looking like some more big climbs, but we'll take them as they come. So I'm trying a little experiment here. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to officially try the cold soak method. So I have this peanut butter jar here, a little bit of peanut butter left. I am going to just make it here. So I'll probably put some oats and cherries and honey and stuff in there, and then I'll put water in there tonight, and hopefully it'll be good and delicious for tomorrow morning. So this is a test, and because I don't think we're gonna be cooking breakfast too much.
We're gonna try to get on the road.
Yeah, so we're gonna try cold soaking our breakfast. Yeah. Well, it is just after 9:30. Bit of a later start, but that's a-okay, because we're not going as far today. Fern got a little bit ahead of me because I had to take an emergency bathroom break. It was close. The coffee did it to me. But I am many pounds lighter and feeling great. Wow, I'm light as a feather now. Now I just gotta catch up with Fern. But she was hurting, a little bit sore, so I don't think she got too far ahead. But look at that water. That beautiful, beautiful water. Not too often where you can camp right next to the stream like this. Beetle juice. Well, day 3 of Rock City. Thank God it's gonna only be a 16-mile day today. This is terrible rocks. Just awful. And we're not even in Rocksylvania. We're in Virginia Rocks, Sylvania. Not great. We're only 6 miles in. And it's all been like this. And another bridge. But look at that campsite right there. That would have been real nice. Guess we're going on the other side of this road here. That probably means we're going up, as is the AT way. Now this is what I call a hangout spot. Wow. How awesome would it be to just like be chilling under here during a storm or something? No, that'd be pretty terrible. But look at this place. It's even got its own bench. Look at that. I feel like, you know, big screen TV there and the fern over there. It's the man cave. Get it? Real life man cave.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I think it's a bluff, actually. What is this? What is this?
What is this, you ask?
What is this?
What is wilderness? Wilderness is a special place for you to experience a world where man is only a visitor. You are about to enter public land set aside to remain in wilderness forever. What is wilderness?
What is wilderness?
Do you love wilderness?
Yeah, it's untrammeled by man.
We love wilderness.
I don't even think these people can write. White Rocks Campground. Enjoy the quiet of camping in the forest without carrying a pack. Don't care a pack.
I don't care about a pack.
I don't care about my pack. This ant, he sure doesn't care about a pack.
A child definitely made this sign.
Yeah, also the fact that it has the AT at 2179. Wow. They need to update this sign. Oh boy. I believe this camera is one used to count the people passing through here. Yeah, super weird. I guess the Forest Service likes to keep the statistics or something. Just pulled this off Fern's butt.
I don't know how I knew. Ah!
Oh no.
He was hitching a ride.
He was hitching a ride. How long, we don't know.
How long? I don't know.
Whoa!
Oh!
Bye, buddy. So we just left the War Spur shelter. There was trail magic there. There was 2 people. I don't know if, I guess they were section hiking or at least day hiking, but they were putting up hammocks and yeah, they had some fruit and some cookies. And that was delicious. That was a real pick-me-up. Oh yeah, just when we needed it, because we were ready to throw in the bag when we got to War Spur, because we are hurting today. It is just a real slog today.
It's been a tough day.
It's been a rocky slog. We're almost 14 miles in and we are gonna push on and do this climb so we don't have to do it tomorrow morning. And it's about 3 miles, three and a half to the tent site and a bunch of elevation. But yeah, we'll get there late, but I think we'll be happy we did it. Right, Fern? Just some casual trail mail. It's kind of funny. Some people still leave notes. Well, just filled up at this lovely ½ liter per minute water source. And we cameled up. And we have 1.5 miles of basically straight up hiking. Let's end this day. Oh, we're so ready. So ready. Thinking on that beef pad thai. So we had to improvise. The tent site that we were going to was occupied by several people that we did not know.
Like, it was full and we didn't know anyone.
Yeah, and they were just staring at us.
Really close to their tents, and
Yeah.
they didn't look very friendly.
No, it would have been weird. I was misled by a comment that said there was room for 10 tents.
Yeah.
Not even, maybe 10 if you put them in a row, but
It's over here.
anyways.
It's flat, it has leaves, it's fine.
Yeah, a little DIY, but you know, it's right next to the trail, and Looks like there's some actually pretty good bear hang right there. I am pleased with that. And yeah, it's just, yeah, it's gonna be dark pretty soon. So we just had to kind of settle down where we landed. So
This is it.
this is it. All right, we gotta make tent and camp now. All right, guys, so we had to eat in the tent because it was pitch black out and we didn't want to get attacked by 1,000,000 bugs.
And we were just exhausted.
Yep, so we did that, and yeah, good day today. Like, my watch said 18.5 miles, but I don't think that is correct.
Yeah.
I think it might be closer to like 17 or so. Either way, it was a pretty good day. Lots of elevation. That last climb was real brutal. Good night, guys.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good night.